Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Anggri Laisara from University State of Yogyakarta. Now I will present about development of augmented reality assisted textbook to improve patriotism character in grade 4 elementary school student. Okay, the parts of the paper is introduction, method, thought, and discussion. And the first I will tell about introduction. Globalization has an inevitable impact on technological development, information, and various new things in the world are easy to access, easily to cheap, and cheaply to by anyone. Globalization and global flow become something that cannot be avoided and cursed in various aspects. One of the efforts that can be done is rough education. Augmented reality itself is an innovation in the field of technology that delivers information more contextually and convey visual by stimulating the sense using a mobile device so that the information obtained it felt more realistic. With the visualization of image in three dimensions, via by a smartphone, students are interested in the approach of the image presents and with that they can easily understand the material provided. Thus, the character of patriotism is expected to increase in line with the development of textbook assisted by augmented reality. Okay, the method. This research, this research is a development research which aims to products in a form of augmented reality textbook. So this research use a mixed research approach with the type of research and development or R&D. The step in R&D are research and information collecting, planning, development preliminary form of product, preliminary field testing, main product revision, main field testing, product revision of the main test result, operational field testing, and the final product revision. And the last is dissemination and implementation. The subject in the study were first grade students from SD Negeri Kabupaten, SD Negeri Telacap, SD Negeri Pendawa Harjo in Sleman Regency, to assess the appropriateness of the product being developed, expert assessment include material, language, and media experts. Teacher response and student response were used. The analysis of the feasibility of the augmented reality done by tabulating all the data obtained from the expert judgment and the self-assessment scale. Okay, and the results. Products that have been developed after going through the field study stage, planning and development textbook formats are then validated by experts to be determined whether they are feasible or not. The validation was carried out by three experts, namely experts, linguistic, and media experts. Following are the results of due diligence concluded by experts. Okay, the first expert of materials is very visible. The result is very visible, feasible, and feasible. From the linguistics are very visible, and the conclusion is very visible. Then from media experts is visible, and the conclusion is visible. So the augmented reality is feasible to use for the first student, in elementary school. Nah, the MANOVA test hypothesis was conducted to determine the effectiveness of augmented reality assisted textbook in increasing the character of patriotism. The formulation of the hypothesis and provision in the study are followed. Age 0, there is no character of patriotism between first grade elementary school students who use and do not use augmented reality assisted textbook. Age A, they are different in character of patriotism between grade 4 elementary school students who use and do not use augmented reality assisted textbook. The criteria of acceptance of A0 are 5% significance level are based on the significance of sign. Okay. And the discussion. The development of augmented reality assisted textbook is also used and efforts to develop patriotism. Patriotism can be interpreted as an ideology that regulates all people, lives to be united, wise, influence each other, have a complete understanding of unity. And the development of patriotism can be done by introducing patriotism, which can be marked with pride in ethnic diversity, natural wealth, culture, and joy to learn. For this reason, even the cultural diversity in Indonesia, one of which the diversity of cultures in Indonesia, of 2D image in books, which are then visualized into three dimension through the augmented reality application with the help of smartphone. It is hoped it can attract students to be more proud of diversity in Indonesia, as well as make easier for students to understand about concept of cultural diversity in Indonesia. This can be based on application of augmented reality, which has a very positive impact on learning activities in the classroom. Motivation, fun, and curiosity are essential ingredients for any educational play. By, lev- by leveraging our like teaching strategy, augmented reality can provide with many benefits and lead to effective learning experience. Augmented reality technology provides opportunities to create a more enjoyable and interesting education experience. Thus, track the approach the absence of traditional clothes and dance, traditional weapons, economic activities, and some in augmented reality assess the textbook. It's hope that students will from personalities who have be patriotism. So this is my presentation about my paper. Thank you for your attention. Sorry is I have very many mistake. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.